guys and gals, a Barbie Figueroa here, and I never in a million years thought I would do this, say this, get behind this, promote this. None of it. Never did I think I would do this. But today I'm literally surprising myself, because today I have to share this with you, because I know that there are some of you out there that struggle with this big time. And I saw this thing and I had to share it with you. And that is, did you know you could legitimately make money, earn an income, without showing your face on Instagram? I have been online since 2007. Well, actually, even before then. Actually, before I was on video, I didn't show my face, because I was designing eBay stores. And so I didn't really have to show my face. And then when I started to learn about, internet marketing and affiliate marketing, I was trying to just do forums with a little fake cat, it wasn't a cat, but it was like a little fake avatar. I wasn't even putting my face out there yet. I was totally doing it the wrong way. Like, I was going into forums and just observing people who I perceived to be successful. And then I would, private message them to see if they were interested in my business opportunity. And that totally would backfire. It was just riddled with rejection until this one guy actually, who was doing really well already. And I pitched him on my program thinking that, oh, for sure, he's going to want to join me. I mean, who wouldn't want to join this amazing program? And so, I private message him like, hey, you got to check out this $2,000 affiliate marketing program. I know you'd be really good at this. And then he private messaged me, and he was really cool. And he was just like, listen, I'm already doing my thing and I totally respect your hustle, but girl, you need to get some marketing skills under your belt, because once you get some good marketing skills under your belt, you'll become a great marketer one day. And I kept those kind words in my heart forever. And I still remember them to this day. And that gave me like the hope and the tenacity to continue, moving forward in this online journey. But, then I was like, okay, well, I gotta figure this out. I have to find a way to market myself. And then I invested another $2,000 into a marketing and leadership program that taught me how to leverage video marketing to, attract leads and to attract the right buyers, et cetera, et cetera. So that's kind of like what I've been doing ever since. But I've worked with hundreds of people now through my internet marketing career. And I realized there are just some people that either, because time has passed. It's not even so much that they don't want to show their face, but in some cases you can't show your face because maybe you have a full-time job, and your job, now they're looking at your social media. And so you are in a position where it's frowned upon to really, have your social media out there. It's the day we're living in, but some people are like when I started, I was super duper shy to get on video. And had I had a way to market myself without having to show my face, as long as I was, being, really trying to help people, but I just could not show my face, right? Because I was still like in that shy phase. Then this would have totally been a godsend for me back then. So I'm going to show you what this Faceless Marketing course is about in just a second, but I want to share a really funny story. When I first started making video, they told us like, hey, you got to make videos that share value and that help people. And so the affiliate marketing program that I was aligned with back in that time, it was a personal development program. It came with a little MP3 player. I'm showing my age. MP3, a physical MP3 player, right? And so I was like, okay, I know a lot of people struggle with setting up the MP3 player. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a tutorial that shows people how to like load the MP3 player to get it to play, yada, yada, yada. So I started to do the tutorial, blah, 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 without showing my face on video. And when I looked at the playback, I forgot, or I failed to realize that the MP3 player, the face of the MP3 player, was an actual mirror. So you could see my face the entire time. Yeah. So I didn't realize that till later. And by the way, I am doing an homage to the 80s because I am a Gen Xer, and back then everything was like neon fluorescent, and I saw these little earrings at Beals, and I was like, oh my gosh, flashback to the 80s. I have to have them. And then I put on my fluorescent yellow top to match because I am a gal from the 80s. So anyway, with that being said, if you're an 80s kid, Gen Xer, would you like this video and leave me a comment right below? I want to see how many Gen Xers watch my channel. That would be interesting to know. Maybe nobody, but I thought I'd ask. Okay, so I have to show you this this Instagram. I have to show you this Instagram course. No, you can use it. It's mostly for Instagram, but it translates into TikTok as well. If you want to check it out, and I know people are looking because my store traffic, people are clicking on that particular course like crazy. So I know that there is a demand for this. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, even if I don't use it right away, I know this is going to help a ton of people. Whether you have a kid in college like I do, whether you are looking for a side income, and again, you can't show your face, but you want to learn how to, market yourself in a legit, purposeful, intentional way, but you're not there yet. Okay. Let me show you what this is. Now, I literally just opened my Stan store a day or two ago. I'm on a 14-day trial, but I'm going to continue with it because stay to the end, because I'm going to show you how you can use this faceless marketing course in more than one way. Okay. Now, like I said, I just launched it, but I already have some views. And when I look at the analytics, let me see how I can see I'm still learning how to use this thing. Let me go to analytics. Okay. When I go to analytics, okay, here we go. See a breakdown of how many people clicked on each of your, look at this, the faceless marketing. Look at how many people are looking at this. So you guys are interested in learning more. So I'm like, I got to make a video about this because it's really important. I'll be talking more about this shortly. And anyway, if you want to check out my Stan store, go to my website at brandingwithbarbie.com because that's my main hub. And then just click on store, boom, and that'll take you to my Stan store, okay? Because the course is hosted inside of Stan store. So what I want to do is I want to show you a little bit about what the course is actually about. Actually, let me show you this here. So this is the Faceless Marketing That Works mini course. And it is created by this girl, Kristen Rain, and she is mostly on Instagram. I'm mostly a YouTuber. But like I said, I saw the value in this. So I don't know, it may or may not be for you. Let me move myself over here. But when I read this, I was like, oh my gosh, I know, I work with a lot of people in my years of internet marketing, of online marketing. And I think that this could be a stepping stone for those of you who you want to get your feet wet. You want to get confident, right? You're not quite there to be on video yet. Okay. So it says here, I know you may be a business owner, entrepreneur, or have been learning or wanting to learn how to make meaningful and life-giving passive income from home, but you don't want to use your face as a big part of your brand or at all. You're in the right place. So she says, I started a brand new account from scratch, helping women, and this works for guys too, but her target audience is women, learn how to make passive income from home, and have made almost 200K and grown to over 20,500 followers with a mostly faceless account and haven't paid a dime in advertising. I believe that because I built, a successful business online as well. And I never paid for ads. I just used YouTube and email marketing, but I did brand myself with my face on video. She says, I know for a lot of people showing their face is what holds them back. I know this too. That's when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this could be like a legitimate resource, not one of those, oh, start an AI video, a faceless AI video, blah, blah, blah. Cause that's kind of like, it's just about the money, right? He or she shows you how to do it, like with purpose and intentionally to really reach to your target market. And that really resonated with me a lot. Okay. So she says, I know for a lot of people, showing their face is what holds them back from marketing their business, product, service, or course. I packed all of my personal strategies for creating aesthetically pleasing and strategic faceless content and building trust, which is super important, with potential clients into this mini course, so you don't have to let the fear of showing your face hold you back anymore. Okay. So what will you learn? 3 strategies for effective faceless marketing. You're going to learn how to put your Instagram together in a visually appealing way. She's going to teach you how to create strong hooks, how to share your story, which I teach that as well, but she's going to break it down so that you can use it specifically for Instagram. And then she's going to take you through a mini exercise. And then 4 crucial trust building strategies to convert followers to customers and raving fans. So anyway, you can screenshot this so you can see what else is in here. But this is for you if you want to market any type of business. And I've already, been inside the course because I purchased the course myself. And yes, you can, if you're a baker and you don't want to put your face on camera, it works for bakers, for painters, for mechanics, for car washers, for programmers. If you don't want to put your face, even affiliate marketers. And I'd say that network marketing, eventually you have to show your face if you're building a team. Nobody wants to really, I don't know that anybody wants to do business with someone in network marketing that doesn't show their face, but it'll at least get your feet wet. That is what I thought. It's kind of like the catalyst, right? So I thought that was really cool. I literally have no idea. I'm going to take off my glasses. So I have no idea. how to do that stuff. So hopefully this will help you if you are looking for a way to market yourself without having to show your face, or maybe you are a service provider and you want to help a client who is kind of like apprehensive about starting a YouTube channel. Well, tell them to do Instagram instead. And you can even grab the information that you learn and charge for consulting to teach your clients how to do that. Like, there's a lot of different ways that you can use it. Okay, so if you stay to the end, she pays 50% commissions if you purchase the course. So it has a twofold benefit. So you can learn about the course, you can learn and apply what you've learned in the course, obviously. And then she gives you the opportunity to become an affiliate, and you can also recommend the course to others. Okay, I'm doing all 3. Right now, I haven't started my Instagram, but I know a few people that this faceless strategy is going to help a ton. So this course isn't even about me. It's about how many people can be helped with this course. And then obviously the 50% affiliate commission is just like the cherry on top. But I got super duper excited when I saw this, because I know if you're anything like I was when I first got started, or if you're like a lot of people, or maybe, like I said, your job prohibits you from showing your face like that, but you still want to make that extra side income stream and equip yourself with these skills, I highly encourage you to check it out. Now, you are going to have to click on my specific Stan Store link, because I'm going to do a video about Stan Store. The way Stan Store works for affiliates is you have got to go through that Stan Store link because they want you inside of their platform. But I'll be doing a video about that, in another video, because I do see, now that I've been using it for a few days, I see the value in adding Stan Store to your business. Or if you're not ready for a website or anything like that, it's a way for you to sell digital products, but that's a video for another day. I highly encourage you to go to brandingwithbarbie.com and then click on the store link, and that'll take you right to my Stan Store if you want to check out the Faceless Marketing Instagram course, which again, you can translate some of that stuff into TikTok. So yeah, because you can do like, I know like on TikTok, you can do like images with writing, and then just think of it like the way that she teaches you how to do reels. You can do the same thing for TikTok if you're on TikTok. Okay. So if you're interested in the course, leave me your comments below. What do you think about that? Do you think it's something that you might see yourself doing if you have, if you're really not ready to do, like full on branding yet? I think it's going to help a lot of people, which is why I was like, I have got to get behind this, even though I haven't started using it, but I'm already seeing how it's helping other people. So just because of that, I could put my name behind it. So, all right. So hopefully this video did help you. Hopefully it brought awareness to you that a course such as this exists. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on another video. Bye.